Guys, today I want to share a little lesson about having a mental illness and learning how to take it one day at a time. Many of us that face these issues feel like it's a very long and hard road, and what the greatest gift I was able to get in helping other people as well as helping my own mental health is learning to take it one day at a time. And that means that you may not know exactly how it's going to work out. You may be feeling frustrated or struggling with your mental health or your career, your life, or your family. But remember, things can always change. You don't know when you find the right medicine, or you find a really good therapist, or you end up working on something that leads you towards what you're supposed to be doing. And I remember early on in my life when I was really at my sickest point, it looked kind of hopeless. I was in and out of mental hospitals. I had missed lots of school. I didn't really have any friends anymore. And it didn't seem that things would end up getting much better. And it was at this point I had to make a decision whether to give up or keep going. And luckily, I decided to keep trying and keep going, and eventually found the right medicine and therapy, and eventually got my life back together. And since that point, I've helped so many others by writing books about these topics. I'm a therapist and coach, and I want to say that you can have the same success in your own life, but take small, slow steps. If you're struggling, seek help, and remember that it is never over until the end. I want to thank you for watching this, and we have a wonderful website where we have an online magazine. We teach about these topics each day. You can find it at bipolaronline.com, and thank you so much. We have a great channel here as well with lots of videos. Have an awesome day.